Okay, so here number 4, I'm going to check is 5, 1, the point 5, 1 a solution to the system? I need to substitute the x and y value into both equations in order to check. Once I plug the x and y into the equation, if the left side equals the right side, then the point could be a solution. But I must check to see if the point works in both equations. If the left side equals the right side in both equations, then the point is a solution. So let me call this top equation equation 1 and the bottom equation equation 2. So let's first check, does this point 5, 1, does it work in this first equation? So in the point 5, 1, of course, in an ordered pair, the x value is listed first and then the y value, right? Just like the alphabet, x and then y. And so in the first equation, negative 5y equals negative 5. I don't have an x value, right? So I'm not going to plug the x value into this equation anywhere because there is no x value in this particular equation for equation number 1. I'm only going to plug in the y value, which is 1. Okay, so I have negative 5y on the left side. So this is negative 5 times y, or times 1, equal to the right side, which is negative 5. So on the left side, negative 5 times 1, that's negative 5, equal to negative 5. Is this true? Does negative 5 equal negative 5? Yes, it does. Now, that does not mean that 5, 1 is a solution to the system yet. It just means that it still could be. I need to check, does this point work in not only the first equation, but the second equation? So let's try the second equation and see if that point works in that equation. So I have 7x, which means 7 times x. The x value is 5. So I'm going to have 7 times 5 plus 6y. 6y means 6 times y, so 6 times the y value of 1 equals 7's on the right side. So let's see, is this true? 7 times 5, that's 35, plus 6 times 1 is 6, equal to 7. On the left side, 35 plus 6 is 41. Does 41 equal 7? Is this true? No, right? 41 does not equal 7. So no, this point is not a solution. So no, this is not a solution. Not a solution. Okay, this point must be true in the first equation and in the second equation for it to be a solution to the system. So